You're watching India Today. I'm Davina Gupta. Our news team is working really hard to get you the latest story. And first up is how this is a day for Janmashtami, a celebration for Lord Krishna's birth. And in several parts of India, it's celebrated with a Dahi Handi festival. These are the visuals coming from Maharashtra. In Mumbai, now there seems to be some confusion over the apex court order as well, which has prohibited human pyramids taller than 20 feet. There's also another ruling from the apex court that children cannot participate. So anyone below age of 18 years cannot be part of the human pyramid. These rulings have been given keeping in mind the safety of Govindas, as they are called, who line up to reach the Dahi Handi festival. But it's a popular sport, say those who participate in it. Here are some reactions coming in this morning, even as MNS Chief Raj Thackeray has said he will not follow the apex court ruling on this.
मुंबई में जितने भी दहीहंडी मंडल्स है उनको परमिशन देते समय जो परमिशन हमने दी है उसमें राइटिंग में ऑनरेबल सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने जो डायरेक्शन दिए है उनका उल्लेख उस परमिशन में हमने किया है। परमिशन में राइटिंग में हमने लिखा है कि ये जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने आदेश दिया है उनका पालन सबको करना पड़ेगा।
सूर्य नमस्कार विषय को लेकर के मुंबई महानगर पालिका में सदन में ये पारित हुआ है ये विषय, और छात्रों के मन बुद्धि उसके स्वास्थ्य के विकास के लिए बड़ा आवश्यक योग है। और विश्व के बहुत सारे लगभग 50 से अधिक मुस्लिम
सुप्रीम कोर्ट का फैसला आज दही हंडी की ऊंचाई को लेकर जो आया है वो देश के सभी नागरिकों पर लागू होता है। राष्ट्रवादी कांग्रेस की भूमिका स्पष्ट है कि हम सुप्रीम कोर्ट के आदेश का आदर करेंगे, किसी भी प्रकार से सुप्रीम कोर्ट के ऑर्डर की अवहेलना नहीं करेंगे।
Virendra, who's joining us. First up, Virendra, what's the mood right now? Is the apex court ruling also giving some dull moments and some confusing moments? Virendra, if you can hear me. Okay, he's trying to get us that frame which everybody is watching out for. Virendra, if you can hear me, we have you on air at the moment. We have you on air at the moment, Virendra, and we can see right next to you there's somebody dressed up as Lord Krishna. But what about the Dahi Handi festival? Do we see the apex court ruling creating some confusion on the ground? Okay, we'll try and connect with Virendra in just a bit. But let me take you through how Dahi Handi pyramid has set record earlier. We'll try and get our colleague Virendra through by that time. These are the record that has been created. Jai Jawan Group way back in 2012 in Jogeshwari had a height of 43.79 feet. They set a Guinness World Record. They were awarded 15 lakh rupees for that. And then you had Shiv Sai Mandal, 9-level pyramid. They were mentioned in Limca Book of Records way back in 2012 as well. They were awarded 11 lakh rupees. Now, just to give you an idea, 43 feet means 5-storied buildings. 5-storied building is how these Govindas climb up on top of each other to reach Dahi Handi. And last time the record was broken at 10 p.m. in the night. I was there and I know that everybody started clapping. It was ecstatic atmosphere because we beat the Spanish world record which was set that time. Virendra is now through with us. Virendra, 20 feet bar creating some dull moment this time in Dahi Handi, or are people saying that we will continue like Raj Thackeray has given a reaction this morning? We will not follow the order. We'll continue celebrations as we do so in our traditional way.
That's true. In fact, Devina, the celebration is still going on since midnight. We have seen most of the Dahi Handis has been broken in the midnight, and right now the first Dahi Handi in the morning at Ban Ganga. This is a very historical place in Mumbai where Lord Rama had visited, and now Lord Krishna is there in avatar. आपका नाम बताएं?
हिमांशु।
ये बताएं पूरे कृष्ण के अवतार में आपको कितना समय लगा?
2 से 3 घंटा।
अच्छा, ये बताएं, इस बार सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा है कि 20 फीट से ऊपर नहीं होना चाहिए, तो आप 20 फीट के ऊपर जा रहे हैं, कृष्ण जी ऊपर जा रहे हैं 20 फीट के ऊपर?
नहीं, 20 फीट के ऊपर नहीं जा रहे हैं।
क्यों नहीं जा रहे हैं?
क्योंकि सुप्रीम कोर्ट का ऑर्डर है इसके लिए।
That's very important because even Lord Krishna, implements the order of Supreme Court. Let me ask you one thing. The MNS, Raj Thackeray, and few other Govinda Pathak are totally opposing the Supreme Court order. This time, are you planning to go beyond 2020 pyramid? Like what's the plan?
No. We are not planning to go beyond 20 because we just respect our government, our Supreme Court. Because normally, जैसे हम लोग अभी सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं, ओके, यहाँ पे ये हम लोग का बाणगंगा है. From last 5 to 10 to 15 years, we are celebrating like this only. And this year, as Supreme Court told that we want to go beyond 25.
जो पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज जो कह रहे हैं, आप उस पर बिलीव नहीं करोगे?
नहीं बिलीव करेंगे, पर गवर्नमेंट है, वी हैव टू रिस्पेक्ट गवर्नमेंट आल्सो. ओके,
सो फर्क पड़ता है कि 20 फीट के ऊपर जाओ या 20 फीट के नीचे सेलिब्रेशन में कोई फर्क पड़ता है?
सेलिब्रेशन में कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. अगर 20 फीट करो या उसके ऊपर करो, बट द वे ऑफ सेलिब्रेटिंग, द वे यू सी, वी आर सेलिब्रेटिंग लाइक दिस.
आप ये बताएं, कृष्ण जी के साथ साथ अभी पूरे मुंबई में आप घूमेंगे?
यस, ऑफ कोर्स.
और आपने ऑलरेडी माखन खा चुके हैं, माखन लगा हुआ है?
पूरा माखन कृष्ण जी ने मुझे ही खिलाया है.
कृष्ण जी ने खिलाया. ये बताएं, पूरे मुंबई में घूमेंगे अभी आप?
हाँ, मैं भी पूरे मुंबई में घूमूंगा.
That's very, it's a very exciting part because no matter what Raj Thackeray is saying, no matter what MNS is planning, no matter what happened in Dombivli, because that's the clear-cut violation of Supreme Court order in Dombivli that we have seen in the midnight. But these people, and in the most of the areas, people would follow the order of Supreme Court, and they would know, even shortfall in the excitement, and that's what is happening. We are at Banganga, where they have already broken one Dahi Handi, and they are now planning for another one to break it here.
Well, Virendra, it's all about safety as well as you celebrate this festival. Stay with us. We come back to you because we have Vidya who's joining us from Dadar as well. Vidya, congested streets today morning, everybody ecstatic. But how are locals responding to the Supreme Court ruling? It should not be higher than 20 feet. Youngsters cannot participate who are below 18 years of age.
Devleena, in fact, Mumbai Police has yesterday sent notices to all the organizers, making them liable in case these rules are flouted. I'm right now at Dadar, where you can see, the first few groups have already started coming in. They will be making the human pyramid. As you can see, the entire curd vessel that has been tied up onto the road is actually pretty high right now. But it's not really somewhere where the people really need to reach and break it. It will be lowered later for breaking. At the moment, the formation of the pyramids is something that will be happening. The breaking of the vessel will happen only later. But if I can show you the other, curd vessels that have been tied up on the road, they are approximately not very high at all. In fact, if you can see those locations, that's where the women groups come over and break the vessel, but that's extremely low compared to the one where men come here and break the vessel. But certainly, people here certainly seem to be following the rules that have been set by the apex court.
All right, Vidya, be with us. Virendra is still joining us. Now, Virendra, we understand that behind you, they are trying to put up the Dahi Handi. Many people have seen Dahi Handi being broken. But what exactly is in the Dahi Handi? Also, some cash prizes there every time. Take us to the entire ritual, because people in northern part of India do not get to see this kind of flavor and fervor on the streets.
Sai. No, that's true, because in the excitement we sometimes forgot to explain the entire sequence, really what happens, because right now we are at Banganga, as I told you, a very historical place in Mumbai, at Walkeshwar. It has its own history, and you can see the Govinda Pathaks. These are the local people, these are local youth who are staying in this entire area. These people really are following the Supreme Court order. They are not going beyond 20 foot. You can see the Dahi Handi that is going up. The Dahi Handi is a mix of the curd and the milk and a lot of the fruits and everything. And there's not only that, the tradition part is that on the left hand side there's a small mandir, there's a small temple of Lord Shiva, Lord Ganesha. So they start with that. They first break the Dahi Handi in that temple, and later on they moved on the ground, and on the ground they celebrate, they dance, they do all kind of fun on the dhol tasha, which is happening. You can see right now, and now they will go to break another dahi handi, not going beyond 20 feet, because even the policemen are here to see them, because the policemen have already instructed them not to go beyond 20 feet, because or else they will be violating, and that could be a very not good for them, because the action would be taken against them. So they know the rules, they know they are doing. But what is important is right now, this Govinda Pathak at Bal Ganga and most of the other Govinda Pathak across the Mumbai city, they would be traveling on the Mumbai city. They would be going to each and every places where dahi handi is been seen, and they'll try to break it. This time there won't be a situation where they would see a lot of prizes, because every year we see that lot of political parties, it could be NCP, it could be Congress, Shiv Sena, BJP, they comes out, even a few events is happening in Thane and other areas where there's a 11 lakh prize. There are many
and many
amount
of these,
prizes,
Virendra,
but this time
many of these pandals,
Virendra,
many of these pandals are organized by politicians themselves. So these are politicians who try to connect with locals, who organize these kind of pandals. As you can see, one that Virendra is showing us, a dahi handi right here at the top. I can almost touch it. I can't do it when you're on the ground, but here I can touch it. Vidya is still with us. Now, Vidya, these are Govinda Tolis who go from one location to the other. But how is Mumbai Police going to implement the Apex Court order? What will be the challenges? And if you can tell us all this while we see the action behind you, what's happening in that narrow street of Dadar?
Well, at Dadar right now, as you can see, the pyramid formation will just begin. But Devlina, just to answer what you asked about how Mumbai Police is really going to implement, well, we really have to see as to how it's done later. But Mumbai Police has categorically said that they will not stop any of the pyramids, even if they break the rules. They will not go down on the streets to say that, pull down these pyramids, ask them not to make it. According to them, this will actually probably create more of a law and order situation for the sheer fact that the number of people trying to enjoy the entire festivities will be much more at any given point, any location, compared to the Mumbai Police officials who will be on the ground. So certainly they do not want to see any law and order situation going out of hand in Mumbai. That's one of the reasons why these formations will not be stopped, even if they are going beyond the permissible level. But considering the fact that, Mumbai Police has said that they will be video recording all these locations. Remember, they need proof of any kind of violation that happens. And in case they need to prosecute these people, the organizers especially, they need to have evidence. That's one of the reasons that most of the almost 3,387 mandals that we have, approximately most of them will be covered with videography by Mumbai Police, who will be recording almost every
We just saw that how there are Mumbai Police vans on the streets, and Dadar pyramid is yet to begin. The human pyramid formation right now is here in Ban Ganga, where Virendra is there. Let me go across to him. Virendra, take us through the action behind you. We believe that dahi handi is about to be broken.
Yes, exactly. Exactly. Now, this is the situation, and this is the best, the photo of, the people can see on the India Today, where the Lord Krishna is, on the pyramid, on the fourth layer, and he'll be eating the makhan, and he'll be distributing the makhan to his fellows and his partners, and he'll be coming down. He'll be breaking the dahi handi by nariyal, a coconut. That's what the tradition is. It's the fourth layer. 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth layer is that it's not going beyond 20 feet, and that's what they are following the entire order of Supreme Court. Lord Krishna, this is a local youth who has converted himself in Lord Krishna, and he'll be breaking the dahi handi. That you can see that he has broken the dahi handi, and he'll be, yes, that's what the Mumbaikars are known for, dahi handi, and that's what the people would like to see in Mumbai in Janmashtami. Mumbai is known for dahi handi, and Lord Krishna slowly coming down, and all the other Govindas, you would be coming down slowly, because that the most they have to remain uninjured, because in most of the dahi handis where the pyramids are big, there's a large numbers of people get injured, and 1 or 2 casualties are seen. But now you can see they have done again, because even we have seen that before, that this is the second dahi handi they are breaking right now. Let me ask you and that's what they are known for the dance, they are for the celebration and everything. Yes. Govindas, after breaking every dahi handi, they do the celebration by dance, by the music, and where's Lord Krishna? The Lord Krishna is behind me. We're trying. Let me go. अब ये बताएं, आपने दूसरी बार दही हंडी तोड़ी है, अब यहाँ से कहाँ जाएंगे आप?
अब यहाँ से हम फेरी मारने जाएंगे।
अच्छा, आप यहाँ से जाएंगे, अब मुंबई में जहाँ जहाँ दही हंडी लगेगी आप उसे तोड़ेंगे।
हाँ,
आपको अच्छा लग रहा है ये पूरा उत्सव मनाने में?
बहुत खुशी हो रही है मुझे।
बहुत खुशी हो रही है। That's for the celebration. अभी यहाँ से आप लोग कहाँ जाएंगे?
यहाँ से अभी हम लोग राउंड मारने जाएंगे, गोल राउंड मारेंगे।
20 फीट के ऊपर कोई दही हंडी अगर होगी तो क्या तोड़ेंगे आप लोग?
नहीं तोड़ेंगे,
नहीं तोड़ेंगे। That's what the rule is.
But excitement continues on the streets of Mumbai. Virendra, thank you so much for joining us. I'm afraid I have to slip into a short break, but this has been really exciting here in the newsroom to see the festivities being celebrated in Mumbai with all the precautions at Banganga. But will this precaution be seen with the other Govinda Tolis at other festival pandals as well? It's also a sport, as it not only happens in India but also in Spain. We talk more about that.